Using your Amazon Fire TV Cube, you can now screen mirror or cast your Windows PC to the big screen in 2 different ways and get connected in just a few steps. So first you have to make sure your Fire TV Cube and your Windows PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now on your Fire TV Cube, just go to Settings, then Display and Sounds, and select Enable Display Mirroring. So now you just have to leave the screen open, and next on your Windows PC, open the Quick Settings panel and click Cast. So once the cast window opens, wait a few moments and you should see your Fire TV Cube listed. Just select it and wait for the connection to be established. As soon as it connects, your Windows screen will appear on your TV. So you will also have 3 displayed options here. The first option is Duplicate, which shows the same screen on both your PC and TV. And second one is Extend, which turns your TV into a second display, which is great for multitasking. And the last one is Second Screen Only, which displays everything on your TV and turns off your PC's display. And here also another way to connect your PC using an HDMI cable. Just simply connect one end of the HDMI cable to your Fire TV Cube HDMI in port and other end to your Windows PC. Then you just have to grab your TV remote, open the input or source menu and select the HDMI port your computer is connected to, and your PC screen should appear on the TV right away. And that's it. You can now enjoy your Windows PC on the big screen using whichever method works best for you. And finally, to stop screen mirroring, just simply press the back button or the home button on your Fire TV remote. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Let us know which method you used. Thanks for watching.